Nick is wrecking my vlog. What is he doing? It's alright. So we've been given our prepped paper, which is, what is it called again? Oh my god. Tectic? Something. I will write down the actual word later.
So it's a really nice sign when from the surface we can see some sort of indication of where bottom sculptures are.
I think this is going to be a really nice day. Alana is going to be test driving the new iPhone dive case. So we're going to see what photos we get from this amazing wonder.
So as beautiful as it is up here, as Ari said, welcome to Brewer Reef. Some of the conversations that I had, I noted for people that John Brewer is one of our prime examples from the central section of the Great Barrier Reef. It was named after a boat that actually ran ashore and then was salvaged here. 3 vessels that came into the same area, they were all lifted and sent out. So that was in initial surveying times. That's how John Brewer got its name. There is a variety of marine life and corals here. So take a moment if you're diving for both sessions to maybe even jump in and go for a snorkel. I know that our snorkelers are going to have a great day today with the light as well. So as soon as we get some lines in, I'll be jumping in and taking down materials. Is there anybody else that would prefer to have their materials with them than to pick up on the sea floor?
dive one completed, we even had Alana doing some drawing. So that was pretty fun. I planted myself in front of the gardener that had the shovel with the atrium in the background. There's a bit of a drop thingy. Oh my god, this is the worst vlog ever.
It's not, you're good.
And I just planted myself there, and I thought I'm gonna go for lots of detail and do that. And I was really, really happy with it. Alana, once she knew I was safely planted, she cruised around just checking out what was happening, getting lots of video footage with her new rig. And Kerrie cruised around as well, just checking on people. And there's some amazing drawings downstairs. Which
oh my god, yes.
So many good drawings.
What about yours?
Oh yeah, mine's cool too. Hang on, shove a finger.
Shove your finger in there.
Maybe my little finger's better. What do you need me to do?
Oh no, it just says only release pressure when you...
Is it releasing?
I don't know, maybe.
Is that like, I don't know.
I don't know how to use it. I'm winging it. She'd be right. That's the theme. Did you feel that?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my god.
What?
I'm never touching the GoPro again. Wait.
It worked. It's fine.
No, look at it.
What's wrong with it? Oh, I see what you're saying.
Happy.
The GoPro.
I'm happy.
This is goodness. Goodness to goodness. Holy crap. Okay, some of these are gonna go. Oh my god. I can't believe that. That's so good.
I was just snapping away.
Yay! That was the end of the day out to the reef. Everyone's departing now, and we're going to get ready tomorrow. It's the workshop in the umbrella studio section, so we'll see you there. All right, I'm off to the studio session. I'm armed with all my materials. I have a painting of Padme because I'm entering it into the Cats versus Dogs exhibition at Umbrella Studio, so that's why I'm doing that. But I forgot that the markets were on and I've had to park a long way away. But I've got all my bags of materials. I've got my prepped paper, which I'll show you in a bit. And I'm all set for the day, hopefully. Okay, so I'm here a little bit early. We have the beautiful backdrop here of Umbrella Studio and also Tony Fitzsimmons exhibition that was recently launched. And we're going to start working on our drawings and our paintings from yesterday. Just a quick thing that I didn't mention yesterday, for those of you who are artists and divers as well, the paper that was used was Teslin paper. This stuff can be gotten from different printing outlets and also Officeworks. Pencil, it was just a regular HB pencil, but what I found personally is straight on the Teslin, it didn't actually work that well. However, the front of it was primed first with gesso with a tiny little bit of acrylic colour in it, which I already love because I already do that stuff with my prepping. So very, very exciting. One of the challenges doing this art workshop as a diver is that you need to be fully aware that as you get into the zone and you start drawing something, you need to regularly check your air, but also make a dive plan with a buddy that's okay with parking you in front of something, or if they're going to draw as well. I found it was really good having Alana as my buddy yesterday because she wasn't drawing all of the time. So what would happen is she'd park me somewhere, know exactly where I was, and then she'd cruise around a little bit, she'd take some photos, she'd be close by at all times if I needed her. So if you're going to do this, make sure you have a buddy that's okay with the plan.
Using new materials, if that's what you're doing today. You may be working from field sketches, like the one that I've got up here just to show you, what you might want to start with. Come over and ask questions. You might be working from resource images, photo images that I've printed out either today or that are in your booklet from yesterday. Please, if there's something in particular that you want, an angle or a certain subject, come over and chat with us so that we can give that to you so you can work from. Alternatively, you might choose to sketch Shelley today. So some more life drawing experience for you, or still life drawing I should say, while we have Shelley in the gallery here today. It really is a lovely opportunity. Now, I've got some video that...
Thanks for coming, folks. But if you'd like to, I've got a few examples here of how we develop from our rough sketches, and we might have roughened it a lot, to develop into a more completed drawing, just basically with charcoal to start with. So I've just got my, these are some sketches, some underwater ones I've done of the little cedar figure from two different aspects. This is the one that's inside the atrium. So that's the actual underwater drawing. And this is it enlarged. Kerrie's already know that we can enlarge your drawings if you wish. So made it into a larger size.
My stuff. I had to add Jerry the starry pufferfish.
And that continues. Tony and I
This is beautiful, Claire. Beautiful. Can I have a look at yours?
Yes.
Oh, this is gorgeous.
It's getting you.
So lovely. Oh, I love that. The beautiful details. What's happening over this side?
How are we?
Good, how are you? Love that. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. So good. All this hidden talent hiding around the corner.
Oh, we're in the corner for a reason.
Oh, look at them. So good. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Can't recommend that experience enough. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant workshop.